Buongiorno ragazzi, where I am? I am here one of the crowdest neighbor of DEHLI. Here there is the mechanic and spare parts neighborhood where all the people sell spare parts and stuff like that for cars, motorbikes, especially for motorbikes because in India it's full of motorbikes. Today is Sunday and I don't know why here is Sunday and Saturday it's open but it's closed Monday. So it's even better because there is not so much traffic on the roads. So what I have to do is today I have to disassemble the engine of my Vespa. I have to open completely the engine of my Vespa and I couldn't find a garage where I can stay inside like a properly mechanic shop. So what I found is just a sidewalk, very dirty because India can be very dirty. Everybody split on the roads. There are cows that shit on the road. So I mean, it's not the most hygienic place somewhere in India. So anyway, I have or this. I'm starting to open the engine and take it out. And yes, a lot of friends they come to see and check what I'm doing. Now Vespa engine is down.
Your father?
Yes, down for my friends. Okay. And these are the conditions. Sit on the road on the sidewalk with my friend. What's your name again? Netin. We are going to open the carter. And here the Vespa. And after I have to weld this part because it's broken. And okay, let's see, rock and roll. And here we are, guys. The carters are open after 2-3 hammer. Oh, wow. You see the inside it's white. I have to understand why it's white inside. Okay guys, this is the situation of my Mazzucchelli after 80,000 kilometers. It's not that much, but the washer inside I have to change because it moves a bit and the bearings are okay, but the washer no. And even the bearings of my car are not okay. You know why? Because when I was in Iran the fuel was very dry, extremely dry. It's free, it's very cheap, but the quality is very bad. So my bearings and all inside it's a little bit fucked even for this reason. So I have to change the bearings and the washer of my Mazzucchelli. And even you see here I have to weld this part of the carter because it's completely broken. And here even they have a lot of spare parts, original Viaggio. This is 150 new one Viaggio, but it's a little bit rusty, so I want to see that. Let me see. And here is the crank. They wash a little bit and with the sandpaper they clean. Now it's okay and it moves very good inside. And as you can see, it's Viaggio. Even there is the logo of Viaggio. It's original Viaggio crank here in DEHLI. I found. I mean, even in Italy you don't find anymore. And they cost about 40 euro here. That's amazing. And this is the old one. We clean. Okay, we change, and that's it. I have to weld this part here. And yes, this is not really the way I like to work, in the middle of the street with all my pieces around. I mean, my experience traveling is hilario, just to keep everything in order, because I can lose everything every day. With my carter in my hand, I follow my friend Ram. You see all around there are mechanics, shops of motorbikes everywhere. Motor shops, Indian parts, Viaggio, Chetak, TVS, it's very famous here. And thanks God it's a Sunday, thanks God there is not that much people around. You see, so now we are going to weld this carter. Hello, right here. You see what I brought you? This. Here is the welder. And this is the part, my friend. This is the road anyway, you see, in the middle of nowhere. And Ram told me that before here they fixed tuk-tuk. And it's amazing because in how many? 4 square meters there is everything you need to work. I mean, there is not just the space to work but for the rest you find all the tools and this smell of oil I love, and really the atmosphere, the poetry of this place is amazing. Anyway, here they can, I'm sure they can even build a shuttle and by hand. To be honest, I suppose before that they just put that piece on this and they weld. No, they are welding the aluminium right now, the broken part, and they will be completely new. Wow, this is much longer job. And now we try to put in level the extra aluminium. And now me and my friend, we are closing back the engine. We changed it, we are changing. I'm changing all the bearings, all the sea oil, and the work was good. The aluminium stuff here, it was pretty good. I mean, he built a new one, and here put even oil, silk oil, and so now we are close the engine always in the middle of the road. And from this corner of Delhi with my friends and my helper here, we got it. Vespa is completely done, and look, it works. Even the police is happy. So I am very happy. Vespa looks good.